Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Please mute your mic. Kalyani ma'am.
Huh?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Kalyani ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Yes, Radha.
Except participants, mute everyone.
Yes.
And when Bose ma'am will come, so please unmute her also.
Okay. Good afternoon, all of you. Mansi, please check your some sound is coming, beta. Good afternoon, all of you. Alka ma'am, I will only see the hosting part.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Let's start. A very good afternoon to each and everyone. Radha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A very good afternoon, Radha
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, Alka ma'am.
Kalyani ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, dear. Good afternoon, all of you.
Children,
Let's start.
I am going to give you few instructions. Number one is that whenever we will ask you to raise your hands or thumbs up or thumbs down, at that time you have to show your thumbs up or thumbs down as per your thinking level. Next thing is that if voice is cracking, so this is not in your hand also, not in my hand also as well. Okay, so technical issues, apart from technical issues, we will talk to you. Okay, because technical issues are not in our hands. So you all are brilliant, excellent, intelligent and smart children, so you can understand this. Okay, and please mute each and every one of you. सारे बच्चे अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए, because you are the senior students of block 3rd to 5. Okay, so I want every one of you to be smart, to be intelligent and active as well. अगर हमारे बोलने में अगर वॉइस क्रैक होता है तो प्लीज उसको इग्नोर कीजिएगा, बिकॉज टेक्निकल इश्यूज आपके और हमारे हाथ में नहीं होते हैं. ओके, रिस्पेक्टेड बॉस मैम, गुड आफ्टरनून मैम. Boss ma'am, may I start?
Start.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Okay. Time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice, because the flow that has passed will never come again. Keeping this quote in mind, I, Radha Dwivedi, along with my co-teachers Alka Dubey and Kalyani Das ma'am, welcome you all in today's workshop. Good morning to each and everyone present here. Respected Timsi ma'am, Bose ma'am, my dear mentors, my dear parents and all my lovely children. Today we all will share few tips with you how to manage your time effectively. In this workshop, we will talk about how to plan your daily routine, which should be productive and result oriented. So today our workshop is based on time management. Time management. What is time management actually? Time management means how to manage the time so that you can get more free time and the work will also be productive. It is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time amongst specific activities. Now, let's see how two students are managing their time and who is managing time effectively and achieving goals. Here we go.
Mom, tomorrow my first period is of science at 9 a.m. So I must go to sleep early. Good night, Mom.
Netik, go and sleep. Tomorrow you have science class at 9 a.m.
Mom, after watching television, I will sleep.
Netik, go and sleep. It is 12 midnight. Otherwise, you will miss your morning assembly, which is very important. Next morning, Mansi attended her class, but Netik was marked absent. So now it's interaction time. So all of you be ready because I am going to ask you now question. And my question is, what did you learn by this situation? Kalyani ma'am, what did you say? May I ask this question to students? Kalyani ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
So please suggest me a name.
Yes, ma'am.
To whom should I ask?
Okay. Ayush Ghosh.
Okay, fine, Ayush. Let me
Yes,
see
ma'am.
who is Ayush. Okay, Ayush. So, Ayush, tell me, what did you learn by this situation, beta?
Ma'am, we should not waste time and sleep early.
Shabash, very good. Any other child, Kalyani ma'am? Let me see who will give answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who is coming? Quickly, let me see. Fine. Who is coming? Who is coming to give me answer? I want to see whether you all are paying attention or not. Okay. Moving ahead, I think now because all are paying attention and they will pay more attention because they know that I will be asking them questions. Okay. Children, it's not very easy to wake up early in the morning and especially in winters. Do you feel little bit uncomfortable and dizzy? Do you feel, especially in winter seasons, do you feel कि 5 minutes और सो लेते हैं? How many of you say, Mummy, 5 minutes और सोने दो, Mama, 5 minutes और सोने दो? How many of you say, see, everyone is laughing. Oh my God. So all are saying, even sometimes I am also saying this. Okay, 5 minutes और rest कर लेती हूँ, फिर उठ जाऊंगी. Okay, so we all say this. So children, tell me, according to seasons, seasons are coming and going. So according to seasons, should we change our timetable? Tell me. According to seasons, should we change our timetable? What did you say? If you want to say कि हाँ change करना है, so thumbs up, and if no, so thumbs down. Tell me. No, oh my God, all are brilliant. Oh God. So you all are saying that we should not change. Even this is my perspective also. Even I also feel that we should not change our timetable because seasons are coming and seasons are going. Winter, summer, spring, rainy, this and that. So we should not. We should only follow our own timetable, which we have prepared. और फॉलो कब होगा? जब राधा मैम प्रिपेयर करके देंगी या हमारे क्लास टीचर्स प्रिपेयर करके देंगे या मम्मी पापा प्रिपेयर करके देंगे कि आप प्रिपेयर करोगे? Who will? If you will prepare, so say yes, I will. Just show me thumbs up that you will prepare. Yes, when you all will prepare your own timetable. Because मैंने prepare करके दिया उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. आपको क्या करना है? That is more important. Okay, now see, I will give you one example. In our school, we have specific timetable regarding our periods. First Hindi, then English, then maths, then science, then activity and lunch as well. Okay, we all have specific timetable. Why? ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता कि बोस मैम कहते हैं चलो कोई भी टीचर अपनी क्लास में चले जाओ? ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता? फिर तो मैं 5th C में आ जाऊंगी, 4th A में आ जाऊंगी, EVS लेने के लिए, हिंदी लेने के लिए शिवानी मैम आ जाएंगे, कोई भी आ जाएगा ऐसे तो, है ना? क्यों नहीं होता ऐसा? Because we all need specific timetable for each and every activity, and timetable teaches us discipline, है ना? Timetable teaches us डिसिप्लिन, जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है. दैट इज व्हाई स्कूल हैज गिवन अस वन स्पेसिफिक टाइम टेबल, है ना. इसीलिए तो स्कूल ने हमें एक टाइम टेबल दिया है कि आप इस पीरियड में ही एंटर करेंगे क्लास में. देन स्टूडेंट्स विल टेक रेस्ट in their activity period, they will enjoy. Okay, so now there is a proverb: early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Have you heard this proverb? Have you heard this proverb? Let me see. If yes, so thumbs up. If yes, so thumbs up. Let me see. Oh my God, all are very good listeners. It means आप लोग extra reading भी करते हैं. Very good. Shabash. You all are reading. Very good. So what did we understand by this proverb? What this proverb wants to say us? This proverb wants to say us that sleep early and wake up early. रात को जल्दी सोना है और सुबह जल्दी उठना है. इसका रीजन क्या है? Because when you will sleep early and when you will wake up early, first advantage, you will feel more energetic. Second, you will get little bit more and extra time to do your own and interested activities in which you all are interested. It may be dance, singing, reading books, newspaper. Then you can do yoga, you can do meditation, you can sit and talk with your parents as well on important topics. You can listen to news headlines. ओके, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो कि हम लोग करते ही नहीं है. हम कहते हैं टाइम का हम कैसे करेंगे मैम, वो हमारा स्कूल का वर्क है. क्यों हमारे पास टाइम नहीं होता? हमको मैनेज करना है पूरा हमारी सारी चीजों को, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट थिंग, व्हेन यू विल वेक अप अर्ली, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, you will not miss your morning assembly, which is very important. Morning assembly के advantages: it gives you information about the world. You get news headlines, you get word of the day, meaning, sentence, and you come to know about important days and dates, which is very important for each one of us. So wake up early and sleep early so that you will not miss your morning assembly, and along with that your first period, which is maybe at 9, 9:15, 10, or maybe at 11. So keep in mind and promise to yourself that from today onwards, you will prepare your own timetable and you will follow it religiously and regularly. कि अपने दिल से फॉलो करना है, किसी के बर्डन से या किसी ने बोले तब, कोई बोले तो नहीं करना, अपने दिल से करना है. Yes, I will follow my timetable which I have prepared. So if you will promise me, then show me a thumbs up if you will start preparing from today onwards. Just show me thumbs up. Let me see how many are ready to prepare their own timetable. Oh, excellent. Everyone is ready. So now to understand better, and you know what is there? When you will prepare your timetable, you will achieve your goals and you will be the successful person in the world, because timetable teaches us discipline, okay, which is very important in our life. So prepare your timetable, sleep early and wake up early. अभी हमने two situations में क्या देखा? Naitik was watching television till 12 midnight and Mansi, she slept early. So who attended his or her class? Mansi attended her class and Naitik का क्या हुआ? Absent mark हो गई, है ना. तो हमारे को इससे क्या सीखने को मिलता है? What we are learning, रात को जल्दी सोना है और सुबह जल्दी उठना है. Is it clear to every one of you? From today onwards, will you follow this? Shabash. So now to understand more about time management, let's see another scene and understand it. Here we go.
Mom, do you know tomorrow is my class test? As per my timetable, at 5 p.m., I will do my revision for test.
Naitik, are you ready for your class test?
Mom, I will learn in the evening. Let me play.
Time passes and the day has come to give test. Now we can see children are appearing for test.
Wow, all the questions are so easy. Thank God I revised at the evening for test.
paper is very difficult. I am unable to solve it. Oh God, Mom will scold me. Why didn't I do my revision yesterday? I don't know anything. I would have prepared for my test yesterday.
Children, as you saw that Mansi is able to give her best in her test, whereas Natik is unable to give his test. Why? Can anybody tell me? Can you tell me? Shita Sharma, can you tell me? Anshika Sharma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me. Your video is off, beta, Anshika. Yes, beta, please tell me why Ansi was able to give her test better than Natik. Can you tell me, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Why?
because she learned the because she revised the test early. Ma'am, because she revised it before the test.
Okay, very good. Yes, very good. Because Mansi has prepared nicely. She had revised very nicely for her test. Mansi utilized her time productively. Mansi ने अपना काम समय से finish. Whereas he is also sincere. He got distracted easily. Students, generally what we do? हम easy वाला काम और difficult वाला कल पर छोड़ देते हैं. Yes or no? या बाद में करेंगे ये सोचते हैं. We always try to complete easy tasks and leave the later. But complete your difficult task first, then you will be relaxed, stress-free, and you will save your time for other activities. Never do tomorrow what you can do today. Now, to understand it better, let's see next scene.
Mom, today I have decided to arrange my bookshelf.
Yes, I will also arrange my bookshelf.
Mom, come and see. I have arranged my bookshelf.
Natik, have you arranged your bookshelf?
Oh no, sorry Mom, I was busy in playing. It skipped from my mind. Tomorrow pakka I will do.
Children, you saw that Natik was so excited to do his work, but again he got distracted. Children, जैसे कि आप सभी को exactly 9 AM पर WT homework मिल जाता है. Yes or no? Yes. पर हम ऐसे हैं जो सोचते हैं कि हम अभी कर लेते हैं और कुछ और आ जाता है, हम भूल जाते हैं. एट लास्ट होता क्या है? हम उस दिन का DWT नहीं कर पाते और हमारा काम पेंडिंग हो जाता है. क्यों? नेक्स्ट दूसरा DWT आ जाता है और फिर हमें लगता है पहले कौन सा करें? Children, try to duty on time. That is daily. Nothing is left for tomorrow. Complete your task on time will understand the next day's task. As we know, each day's task is related to the next day's task. Yes or no? Children, those who manages time effectively. Work should be done on the daily basis. We should not keep it tomorrow because tomorrow never comes. Let's see next scene. It will be more clear to you. Yes, Mansi?
Yes, ma'am. Mom, please turn off TV as I am studying. I'm not able to focus on studies. I'm losing my concentration.
नैतिक, आपने अपने स्कूल का वर्क कंप्लीट कर लिया?
Mom, I was playing and Mom, I am doing, but it is still incomplete.
हाँ, वो तो मुझे दिख रहा है. एक हाथ में मोबाइल रखा हुआ है, दूसरे साइड टीवी चल रहा है, तो वर्क कंप्लीट कैसे होगा? मैंने हमेशा बोला है कि एक टाइम के ऊपर एक ही टास्क करना चाहिए और ड्यूरिंग योर स्टडीज यू शुड नॉट यूज मोबाइल. सो कीप इट देयर एंड डू योर वर्क.
Sorry, Mom.
Alka ma'am? Alka ma'am, you're not audible.
So children, tell me, what did you understand by this situation? Alka ma'am is facing some network connectivity issues, so let me ask you. So what you all are understanding? क्या समझ में आया इस सीन से? कल्याणी ma'am, let me see who will answer me
Yes.
this, because this question is
Yes,
related
ma'am.
to each and everyone. Everyone is doing
Yes,
this
ma'am.
activity, है ना? Yes, let me ask.
Yes, ma'am. Ritik Hassan.
अच्छा,
Ritik Hassan.
शाबाश Ritik. Tell me Ritik. बेटे, what you are
Yes,
learning
ma'am.
from this? Yes, beta. Tell me. Great. What
Ma'am,
you
what is the
question is that
ma'am what
after watching this scene, what you understood? Tell me.
ma'am some network issue. I was just late from the class.
No problem. No, okay. You can observe me again and let me ask to other child. Okay, beta, I will give you chance next time. Okay. So next child. Yes, Kalyani ma'am. Let me see who is going to answer me this. Let me see. because
Soresh.
Soresh will answer. Oh, outstanding, Soresh. Yes. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, we have to always do the work first. We can see mobile or TV afterwards also.
Very
First completing the homework, then we can be free and we can see mobile or television.
Wow, outstanding. Thank you so much, Soresh. So children, we understood that कि हमें एक टाइम पे सिर्फ एक ही टास्क करना चाहिए, है ना? और मम्मी मोस्टली ये बोलती हैं कि चलो जल्दी से पहले वर्क कंप्लीट कर लीजिए, उसके बाद टीवी देखना, पर हम सुनते ही नहीं है मम्मी की. बेचारी मम्मी तो बोलती ही रहती है. But you know why mama is saying and why your teachers are saying this is for your benefit. आज अगर मैं आपको अपना एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ, मैं मान लीजिए आपके लिए वर्कशीट प्रिपेयर कर रही हूँ, ठीक है? और मेरे साथ में मोबाइल पे बार बार मुझे कॉल्स आ रहे हैं, मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं और मेरा ध्यान वहां पर भी जा रहा है, तो क्या होगा? वर्कशीट में मेरी साइड से मिस्टेक्स आएंगी. हो सकता है मैं आपको गलत इमेज दे दूं, गलत क्वेश्चन लिख दूं और आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओ. हो सकता है ना ऐसा? अगर मेरा अटेंशन नहीं है मेरे वर्क के ऊपर तो ऐसा ही होगा, है ना? सो व्हाट वी आर लर्निंग, हमें एक टाइम पे एक ही टास्क करना चाहिए. वी शुड बी सिंसियर. Our full focus should be on what we are doing. हमारा full concentration, फोकस सिर्फ उस टास्क के ऊपर होना चाहिए विच वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ। सिर्फ हमें ये चीज ध्यान रखना है। इफ यू आर लर्निंग, सो फोकस सिर्फ लर्निंग के ऊपर होना चाहिए कि मैंने आज ये डिसाइड किया है कि मैं किसी भी जो आपका सब्जेक्ट आपको चूज करना है, दैट टुडे आई विल लर्न 2 क्वेश्चंस। तो उस गोल को अचीव करने के लिए हमें 2 थिंग्स की बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस है। फर्स्ट वन इज दैट योर concentration, second one is your focus. Okay, first one is your
Yes.
concentration, second one is your focus. So Alka ma'am, what do you think? What should I do?
Correct, Radha ma'am, correct. I think we should do the work with full concentration so that we cannot commit the mistakes. अगर हमारी mistakes भी कम होंगी, our teacher will be happy. और हमारे मिस्टेक्स कम होने के कारण हमको मार्क्स भी अच्छे मिलेंगे एंड द DWT will be completed on time.
So
right?
now Alka ma'am will tell us more about this work. Okay, Alka ma'am?
Thank you, Kalyani. Thank you, madam. Thank you, Radha madam. So, dear students, अब हमें आज से टाइम पर वर्क कंप्लीट करना है एंड विद फुल कंसंट्रेशन एंड फोकस ऑल्सो, जिससे हमारी मिस्टेक्स कम हो. ओके, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड मोर एंड लेट्स सी द अनदर सीन.
नैतिक, आपकी क्लास है 2 PM की. Have you taken your lunch?
Mom, I will take my lunch at 2 p.m.
शाबाश, 2 PM पे हम लंच लेंगे, उसके बाद हमारी क्लास के लिए हम लेट हो जाएंगे. Quickly go and take your lunch.
Okay, Mom, give me. I
Take this.
need.
See, you are late for your class. 10 minutes late. Oh my God.
Mom, please give me lunch because at 2 o'clock there is my English class. I don't want to be late and miss that class.
Yes, students, did you notice something? Did you notice something? How many of you do the same as नैतिक did? कितने बच्चे यहाँ पर ऐसे हैं जैसा नैतिक ने किया वैसे आप भी करते हैं? Honest answer I want. No need to feel shy. It's workshop. If you will be honest, you will be understanding it nicely. So students, if you will do like Naitik, either you will skip your lunch and the class of 2 PM. या तो आपका lunch skip हो जाएगा या आपकी class जो 2 बजे की है वो miss हो जाएगी. This is very bad. We should not skip anything. ना तो lunch and not the class of 2 PM. कोई भी चीज हमें मिस नहीं करनी है. If you will miss the class of 2 PM, do you know what will be the result? आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होगा, जो टीचर ने क्लास में पढ़ाया है आपको पता नहीं चलेगा and you will be left behind. तो इन सारी चीजों को अवॉइड करने के लिए today onwards you will have to attend the session of 2 PM. Okay, so now this is the promise time. I want a promise from you all. Are you ready for the promise? Are all ready for the promise? All are nodding the head. I just want to see thumbs up or down. Yes, if you are ready, then stand up. All of you stand up. Yes, I'm also standing. All of you stand up. Yes, very good. All of you stand up. Sorry, stand up, please. Yes, Anya, Jo, Garaina, yes, very good. All the students are, yes, standing. Now let me see the empty hands. Let me see the empty hands because this is the promise time. And you all will repeat after me the words that I will tell. Yes, so the promise is, first you will have to do in this manner. Jaldi se aise kariye. Very good. Now you repeat, we promise that.
We promise that.
We promise that
We will follow our timetable
we will follow our timetable
and will never skip the class of 2 PM.
And will never skip the
and will never skip the class of 2 PM.
Yes, students, this is your promise and you will have to fulfill it. Okay, now all of you sit down. One more question is there, but how can we be punctual? For that, you will have to follow your timetable. अगर आप आपका timetable use करोगे, follow करोगे, तो आपके लिए कोई भी चीज impossible नहीं हो पाएगी. So now I just want to interact with a student, and that student is who will let me know the promise that we have done? Okay, so Kalyani ma'am, need your help?
Yes,
There
ma'am.
is a student. Yes, ma'am. Many students are saying, I just want to interact. So let me give a chance to
Anshika
someone.
Sharma. Anshika
Okay,
Sharma.
yes, beta. Yes, beta. Please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, we
Yes,
shall
beta.
never miss the
Yes,
class of
beta.
2 p.m.
So what was the promise? Can you please repeat?
We shall never miss the class of 2 p.m.
And one more thing we will have to do, and that is we will have to follow our timetable. Okay, beta? So that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can manage your all the things if you will follow your timetable. Okay, beta? Very good. So it means today onwards all are going to make the timetable and will follow the timetable also. And will never skip the class of 2 p.m. That is very important. Okay, very nice.
Dear students, we all have attended the workshop about time management. Let's revise. First, always wake up at 7 a.m. After waking up, freshen up till 8 a.m. Take your breakfast till 8:30 a.m. Attend your assembly positively at 9 a.m. Attend first period on time, then attend second period, activity period on time, and be ready with your activity material so that you can utilize your time effectively. Take your lunch between 1 to 1:30 p.m. Attend class at 2 p.m. Then attend activity class at 2:40 p.m. After attending activity class, please take a nap at 3 p.m. so that you are energetic and fresh. After waking up from your nap, take your milk or snacks at 4 p.m. Most important, self-study time, that is between 5 to 6 p.m., which will be a great helpful for your future. Fun time, that is 6 to 7. After fun time, after recreation, take your dinner between 7:30 to 8 p.m. After taking dinner, wear your mask, walk in front of your house or on terrace or garden or in the balcony of your house. And you can also read storybooks if you're not going for walk. Last but not the least, that is 9 to 9:30. You all should sleep so that you can get a proper sleep and you will be able to attend your class attentively. Hope children that you all will follow this daily routine. Now I would like Bose ma'am to address our children. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kalyani madam. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon, Timsi madam, all my dear mentors and my dear children of class 5, which is the senior most class in this school, in this building, nursery to 5th. So children, are you ready to follow the timetable which your mentors, which your teachers have given you a brief of it? Okay, briefed out, followed? As because you all are the senior most class in your building in this year till nursery to 5th, and then you are going to crawl into the middle school next year. So you have to prioritize your goal. You have to plan your goals ahead. Do solid planning. Okay, you have to reach your goal. And in order to reach your goal, you have to make yourself disciplined and systematic. For that, you have to have a solid planning of yourself. So planning means what? Not only timetable, means complete time you have to utilize properly. That will make you self-disciplined. You will become systematic. You will be able to reach your goal. You will be able to enjoy more facilities because you will find that you are not running after time, but you have planned your time in such a nice manner that after planning also you are having enough time left with you. So you can pre-plan again. Follow that. This time I will utilize, like if you are having cash in your hand and if you utilize it properly because you have a planning for spending that, then you will find out also I'm having this much of cash balance in me, with me. I can spend it for some other things. So same thing, you plan your time also like that. And if you are not planning time properly, then you will miss every opportunities of life. Okay, so be punctual, do planning ahead, enjoy all your live sessions. Your strength should be very good. If you are planning properly, we will find that children are attending all the live sessions, whether it is of 9 o'clock, whether it is of 2 o'clock. Okay, thank you, children. Yes, Kalyani ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. I will end this workshop with the quote, productivity is never an accident. I repeat, productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of commitment to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. Children, you will get one worksheet based on today's workshop, that is time management. After completing, please mail it to your previous teachers. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, children.